So
Sir, the screen is blurred.
yeah, just bear with that. Absolutely not
So
visible.
maybe you are not having network.
Yeah, might be some unstable network. Okay. See, the curve which we are going to study today is cycloidal curve. Okay. Cycloid. Is it visible? Hello.
Sir, it's visible,
No,
but it's
sir.
very blurry.
So this study material already given to you. Okay. I am not going to show a lot of things from the book itself. Okay. And I will be showing then how to get the cycloid. Okay. Cycloid is a curve generated by a point on the circumference of circle which rolls along a straight line without slipping. Without slipping, the rolling circle is called a generating circle. I will show you. Okay, just a minute. See, this sort of the circle will be imagined. Okay. Bottom point, I have marked it, but it is not clearly visible. See, this circle, if I roll it further, the point which is in contact with the flat surface, if you roll it further, okay, roll it further, okay, the point position of that point which was in contact with flat surface now it is changing. Okay. It is going to change. Okay. If you move it further, it is going to change. Okay. If you roll it on flat surface, it will change. Okay. The position of that point, it is going to change. But make sure that this rolling circle will complete one rotation on this flat surface. Okay. And you have to trace the curve which is formed by point of contact in flat surface, and then it will be changing in position like this. Okay. And then finally, after one rotation, this point will be on the flat surface, last end point. Okay. So how much distance it is going to travel in one rotation? That is equal to pi d, right? So today we are going to take the case. This sort of statement of problem. The wheel of 40 millimeter diameter, I will hold it very close to this. The wheel of 40 millimeter diameter rolling over flat surface without slipping. The wheel of 40 millimeter diameter rolling over flat surface without slipping. Draw and name the curve traced by a point on circumference of wheel in contact on flat surface. One complete revolution. Okay. One complete revolution. Okay. Right? So for this you have to draw the curve. Okay. Now I will get you will get it. I will show see here. Okay. So net is fluctuating. I know.
So can you please show the question again? It was not visible before.
Just a minute. You note down this problem statement. The wheel of
Sir,
40
it's very blurred, sir.
It It should be visible. Is it okay now?
No, sir, can't read even a word.
Sir, it's saying your
So
network
can you
bandwidth is low.
but right now I can't do anything with this. Yesterday it was good. Might be because of cloudy atmosphere. The wheel of 40 millimeter diameter. I repeat, I will dictate this. The wheel. Am I audible?
Yes.
The wheel of 40 millimeter diameter rolling over flat surface without slipping draw and name the curve traced by a point on circumference of wheel. Draw and name the curve traced by a point on circumference of wheel which is in contact with flat surface for one complete revolution. Okay, so this is what the problem statement. I will give this after lecture a clear image of this. Okay. Now let's start with the construction step by step. So here you have to take the radius 20 millimeter in compass. Okay. Take 20 millimeter radius in compass. Draw a circle of 20 millimeter radius. Draw a circle of 20 millimeter radius and divide this into 8 parts here. Okay, let me check 125. Yes. Okay. With the protector, you can divide either in 8 or 12 parts. Okay. So if you divide into 8 parts, then the spacing will be of 45 degree, 45, then 90. Diameter is 40, 40. It is in a problem statement. So that radius will be 20, right? Then I will the procedure to divide circle into 8 or 12 part. It was explained yesterday. Even I have shown it now. If you divide into 12 parts, then this inclination degree, that will be 30 degree. Okay. Have you done with this circle? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it visible now? Hello.
Sir, it is
Not
little blur.
100%.
Not 100%. It is little blur.
But you can understand, right?
Yes, sir.
Then through base point, you draw a line that will be tangent to the circle. At the length, you will be taking 125.6 because pi d calculation that gives you 125.6. You take a distance 125.6. Okay, you have to take the 125.6. So you get the complete line of 125.6. I will take it with pen so that it will be a bit dark. So it will be seen properly, right? This length is 125.6. Okay. Then you should divide this into 8 parts. Again, getting 8 parts of equal spacing is difficult directly, so that through this point, base point, draw a line of 80 millimeter. If you want to divide it into 8 parts, it is better to take always 80 millimeter. Okay. If you are dividing into 12 parts, you take 120. Okay. This angle, as I said, it will be any angle, right? Then take the points here for 10 millimeter each. So you will get the points here. 10, 20, 30, 40. Right? Then, as said yesterday, you'll be joining first end point. Join end points with straight line. Okay. Then keep on moving your roller scale so that you'll be going to the next point here. You'll get the parallel line. to each point on this line. One more point. Okay. Let me know once you complete this.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay. You name the points here. Point 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. You name the point on circle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. You name the point on circle 11. Okay. The next step, you try to get the end point connected and the last final position of the circle you should get. So what I'm doing here, see, vertical line through this and then line parallel to this base line is exactly 40 millimeter away from this. So you complete this rectangle. This is the final position.
Sir, can you please repeat?
See, this is the final position of point, right? The point which is in contact with flat surface here, that point number 8. When you rotate it for one complete rotation, revolution, then this point number 8 will be reaching here again, right? So this final end point, and for that, what I have done, I have taken the vertical line and the line intersecting from this top, point number 4, extreme top point. This will be going to connect here. Okay. I will erase this line beyond boundary. Okay. So this what you got the rectangle here. Okay. 8, 4 to this point and this one. Okay. That's it. You have to get it. These are the steps in construction. Okay. I hope you've done it.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. The next, draw lines one by one. See, line passing through point 8, it is a bottom line. Then you will get another line that will be horizontal or parallel to baseline, but that will pass through point 7 and 1. That will pass through point 7 and 1. If you take it parallel to this, okay, then 2 and 6, then 3 and 5, have done it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is it visible?
No,
Maybe
sir.
comfortable. Is it comfortably? Can you see at least what is going on here? So today, network is not stable. Yeah, I will take it close to that figure. Okay. See, the circle which you have drawn divided into 8 parts. They taken this line, baseline, from this bottommost point. That length of line is pi d. Then we have divided this pi d distance into 8 parts with equal spacing by following this construction method. Then from each point of circle, we have drawn the horizontal line, this line, the next, then this one, and final. Okay. And this is what the final position of the circle. If you take it in terms of diameter of circle, 8, 4. When you rotate it for one complete rotation on this flat surface, 8 to 8 is the flat surface, then final, this will be the position. Okay. Right. Now, you will be taking it see from each point, point number 1, 2, and so on. Okay. We will be draw lines parallel to this diameter line, or we can say the perpendicular to this flat surface or baseline. You draw a line that will be up to center of circle. You will be getting the line up to center of circle, which will be perpendicular to the baseline. So likewise, you go on taking the lines from this point number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Here you are going to get few reference points here. Say C1, C2. Okay. So likewise, you go on continue with all these points. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and final point is point number 8. Okay. So in this way, you have to take it. And I will name this first C1, then C2, then this point is C3 point, C4, C5, C6, C7, and this is C8. Okay. I will drawing here the dotted circle. It will indicate the final position of wheel, the circular wheel. So the wheel which is at initial position on complete revolution 1, it will be going to occupy this position, right? Yes, Roshan Gupta, can you rename yourself? Roshan Gupta. Yes, Roshan, you rename with your roll number. You might have left sometime because of network issue. Yes, done it. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes. This is the complete one. Whatever we have done up till now. Okay. It doesn't mean that you got the 100% answer. No. Few steps still you have to complete. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then we'll move to the last part of your construction. I will hold it so that you will see it partially. Okay. See. Radius of the circle rolling wheel 20 millimeter, right? So same distance which is already in, you have taken it in a compass. Okay. Okay. That distance you have to keep as it is 20 millimeter. You cross check whether there will be any change happen in compass distance. See, this will be the radius, okay, equal to radius. Now keep metal end of your rounder at C1, where you wanted to keep here at point C1, which you have got on the center line, right? And cut the line which is passing through 1. 1 and 7 commonly you will get it. So you see where it cuts. It cuts here, right? Got it? So where it cuts, this will give the point. I will make it dark. This point, right?
Sir, can you please repeat?
Take radius of circle in compass, right? This is the radius. Okay. Then keep compass metal end, which we say rounder, at point C1. These are the points C1, C2, C3, C4. Okay, and so on. So keeping metal end at C1 and cutting the line which is passing through. See, on circle we have named the points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. The horizontal line passing through this point 1 means immediate next line from this bottom line. ये पाईडी वाला लाइन है ना, उसका जो नेक्स्ट लाइन है उसको आपको कट करना है, जैसे यहां पर मैंने अभी कट किया है. ठीक है, आई गॉट दिस पॉइंट. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now next to this line is the center line itself. This center line. Okay. This point 1, 2. This is a point 2 on its circumference. Okay. So I will take rounder metal end here at C2 and I will cut the line here. Okay. This is the center line, horizontal line passing through common line through 6 and 2. This one. Okay. So I will get the next point. I will make this point where it cuts the arc. Before I move further, I will name the point. This point as a P1 point. This point is P2 point. Okay. P1 and P2, right? Okay. I hope you have done it up till now. Similar procedure you have to repeat for the remaining point. Keep metal end of your rounder at 3 and the line passing through this 3 point on its circle that you are going to cut here. You just cut it, you will get another point and you can name that point as P3 point, right? At the fourth point, you will get it exactly at extension of 4 to C4 and you just extend it, you will going to get it because keeping same radius, it is going to give the point like this here. Okay, it will give the point like this, right? So this is what the point next you are going to get. You can name this point as a P4 point. Okay. Then point up your rounder at 5 and cut this next line. It cuts here. Small arc you have to take. Okay. It cuts here and it will give the next point, which we can say P5. Okay. Similarly, with center P6, you will be cutting the next immediate line below the previous line. It cuts at this point. It will give the point P6, right? Then keep the rounder here at P7, C7 and cut the next line and it will cut here, cuts here. You can name this as a P7. And the final point is point number 8. Don't compare your answer with my answer. Okay, because with little error, the point position of P7 or P6 even, it is going to change little, either on left or right side. Okay, whatever you will get it, that will be your answer. Okay, so little error in taking the vertical and the horizontal line, it will give the change in your answer. Okay, I hope you able to mark all these points.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now as I shown you, I think on Monday's lecture, how to get join these points with the French curve. If you have French curve, you try to join these points with French curve, or even you can do it with freehand. Okay, so I'm doing it freehand. So I'll be joining 8 with P1, then P2, P3, then P4, but I have to make sure that I'm going to get the curve. I will get the curve. Okay. Then further, you make this curve little dark, and finally you will get this curve, and this curve is nothing but cycloid. This curve is nothing but the cycloidal curve. Okay. Yes, have you noticed any improvement in my network depending upon the clarity?
Yes, sir, it's better now.
Okay, okay. So can't do anything with the network. See, now you complete the answer. So immediately after lecture, I will provide you the clear image of what I have done it.
So can you show the question, please?
Yeah. What? Just wait. What I will do, I will send you the clear image on your group. Okay. I will show you. No problem. The wheel of 40 millimeter diameter rolling over flat surface. I will hold it like this. I think you will get it. Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
Done. Thank you.
Rita, you can stop say recording.